Hey there! Are you ready to see how easy it is to take shapes and points and move them around a graph? Let's get ready with this translation video lesson. Before we jump into translations, I would like to review some of the concepts with you. This is a coordinate plane. It's basically a set of number line that we're going to call them axes. We have the x-axis, which is this horizontal axis that we have over here. And we have the y-axis, which is the vertical one. As you notice, in this side, we have the positive numbers, as well as they go up in the y-axis. And the left, we have the negative numbers, and down here on the bottom, we have the negative numbers as well. This is called a coordinate. The first number will always be located in the x-axis, and the second number in the y-axis. If you forget about this, just think about which letter comes first in the alphabet. Is it the X or the Y? Yes, you got it right. X comes first in the alphabet. Therefore, this number will always be in the x-axis and this one in the y-axis. All right, I would like you to take a look at this apple and think about where is this apple located? We're going to be writing down its coordinates. Remember that this number is always the x-axis and this one the y-axis. As I see, the apple is located in the number 2 in the x-axis, 2, and then when you go up, is 2, and it's located in the number 3 from the y-axis. So it's 2, 3. That is the location of this apple. What about this one? Where is this apple located? All right, so as you can see, the x-axis should come first. So this time, this apple is in -3, 2 in y. So we have -3, 2. Now, I would like you to pause this video and try to do this exercise by yourself. Where is this apple located? Remember, the x-axis always comes first. So it is in +4, -3 in y. So it is 4, -3. Now, I would like you to pay close attention to the apple. This time, it's not in the x-axis, which means that is 0 here. It's not located in the x-axis. It is only located in the y-axis. So this time, as this is -2, this must be -1. So it is 0, -1. How about this? Pause the video and try to do it by yourself. All right, so this time we have the apple located in the x-axis and -4. But as you can see, it is not located in the y-axis, which means that it is a 0 over here. How about this apple? Pause the video and try to locate it. Very good. I hope that you noticed that this coordinate plane is counting by 2s, but it's totally fine. It's the same process. I need to start with the x, okay? And as this is 4, what number is between 4 and 6? Yep, it's number 5. So it is located in the 5, +5 from the x-axis, and +8 from the y-axis. So it's 5, 8. How about this apple? Pause the video and try to write the coordinates by yourself. All right, we always need to start with the x-axis. The number that is between -6 and -8 must be -7. So this apple is located in -7 in x and +2 in y. -7 in x and +2 in y. Now we have this figure. I would like you to try to find out the coordinates of each one of the vertices. You see, these little dots down here, they are called vertices. Let's see, point A, where is it? It is in 1, comma, -1, because it's located in +1 and in -1 from the y-axis. Now, B, it is located in +1 from the x-axis and -4 from the y-axis. So it's 1, comma, -4. Now C is located in +4 from the x-axis and also in -4 from the y-axis. -4. And that's it. That's how you can locate a figure in the coordinate plane. Now I would like you to pause this video and try to do this one by yourself. All right, so let's see where L is located. The number in between 2 and 4 is +3, so it is in +3 and the x-axis, +3, and +3 as well, and the y-axis. So it's 3, 3. Let's see where M is located. It's in +6 and the x-axis, okay? +6. Let's see, I go all the way up to +8 and the y-axis, so it's 6, 8. What about N? It is in between 8 and 10, so this must be +9. So N is in +9 on the x-axis and 3, +3 on the y-axis. Now that you had this little review, I believe that you are super ready to dive into transformation. A transformation changes a figure into another figure. The new figure is called the image, okay? We have the original one that is called the figure, and the new one, the one that you just created, is called the image. A translation is a type of transformation in which the figure slides but does not turn. Every point of the figure moves the same distance and in the same direction. This one is the original one, MNOP. This one is called a figure, all right? And this is the translation one. This is called the image. This one just slides this way, and this one created this new image that is called the image. As you can see, it is no longer called MNOP. It's called M prime. You see this little sign here? You need to read it as prime. M prime, N prime, O prime, and P prime. If you don't remember about that, just think about Amazon Prime. Take a look at these examples. Here we have the figure, and here we have the image. This is LKJ, and this is L prime K prime J prime. As you can see, this image is slide a little bit up towards the right. Now we have this other example of a translation that we have the square MNOP, and it slides down towards the left. Here are other examples of translations. Here we have the figure. Here we have the image, the new one that you just slided, okay? As well as here, A, B, C, D. This is A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. And I wonder, is this an example of a translation? No, because in this case, our original, the figure that we had, this rectangle, it turned because it was vertical, but now it's horizontal. So this is not an example of translation. How about this one? Yes, this is an example of translation because this shape only slide a little bit. It did not turn. Now, let's try to do this activity. We have this triangle, A, B, and C. And it's telling me to translate this figure 3 units right and 3 units down. Then you need to write down what are the coordinates of the image, of the one that you just created. So in order for you to do this type of activity, you need to do it one at a time. I'm going to start with point A. So it says that I need to move 3 units right and 3 down. So let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to go down 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Here I'm going to plot my new point. But this one is not going to be called A. This one is going to be called A prime. Okay? Now we have this other point. I need to, again, move 3 units right and 3 units down. 1, 2, and 3. And now I need to go down 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So here we have C prime. All right? Now let's do the last one. 3 units right and 3 units down. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to go down 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Here I am going to have B prime. All right? With a different color, I suggest that you connect your A prime, B prime, and C prime so you can create your new triangle. After you join the dots, this is the way that your translation should look like. So now I'm ready to write down the coordinates of the image. So let's see. We have A prime that is located in 1, negative 2. 1, negative 2. We have B prime that is located in 5, positive 2. 5, positive 2. And we have C prime that is located in positive 4 and negative 1. Positive 4 and negative 1. And that's how you do this type of exercise. Now, I would like you to pause this video and try to do it by yourself. Make sure that you draw a coordinate plane like this one, and you draw this triangle. All right, so let's go. 4 units left and 2 units up. You can start with whatever point that you want. 4 units left. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to go up 2 units. 1 and 2. Here will be A prime. Now I'm going to do the same with C. 4 units left and 2 units up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2. Here will be C prime. Now I'm going to be doing the same with B. 4 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 units up. 1 and 2. Here is B prime. Make sure that with a different color, you connect those dots. Connect A prime with B prime and C prime. This is how your triangle should look like. Now, it's time for you to write down the coordinates of the image. So let's see. A prime is located in negative 6, positive 3. Negative 6, positive 3. B prime is located in negative 2, 7. Negative 2, 7. And C prime is located in negative 3, comma 4. Negative 3, comma 4. That's it. Now I would like you to pause the video and try to do this one by yourself. It says that you need to first draw the vertices of the triangle ABC, and then with a different color, you need to do the translation. You need to translate that triangle 1 unit left and 2 units up. All right, so let's see A, negative 2 and negative 2. Remember, the first number will always be in the x-axis and the second in the y-axis. So negative 2 in the x-axis is over here, and negative 2 in the y-axis is down below. So we have our dot here, and this is A. All right, now we have B. This is X, and this is Y. Here it means that it's not located in the x-axis, that is only located in the y-axis. And this time, it is in positive 2 in Y. This is B. After that, we have C. X-axis, Y-axis is in positive 3 in the X, but it's not located in the Y-axis. So it is only over here. Positive 3 in the y-axis. So this is your C. Now you need to connect the dots with a ruler. Now it's time for you to translate this triangle 1 unit left and 2 units up. All right? So let's do 1 left, 1 and 2 up. 1 and 2. So here I'm going to have A prime, okay? Again, point B, 1 unit left and 2 up. 1 and 2. Here we're going to have B prime. Now we're going to do C, 1 unit left, 1 and 2 units up. 1 and 2. Here we have C prime. Now I would like you with a different color to connect A prime, B prime, and C prime. This is the way your triangle should look like. Now let's write the coordinates of the image. A prime is located only in the negative 3 in the x-axis. Is not located in the y-axis, which means that this is negative 3, comma 0. Now, let's take a look at B prime. B prime is located in negative 1 in the x-axis and positive 4 in the y-axis. B prime, negative 1, comma positive 4. How about C prime? C prime is located in positive 2 and the x-axis and positive 2 and the y-axis. That's how you do this type of exercise. Now I would like you to take a look at this because the translation is written down different this time. So before you pause the video, please pay close attention. Here it says, the vertices of a triangle are L, M, and N. Draw the figure and its image after this translation. So if it says X plus 2, this means that you're going to analyze where in the x-axis are the positive number, like this one. So is it in the right or the left? Yes, as you can see, the positive numbers in the x-axis are located towards the right. That means that we need to move 2 units to the right, okay? So 2 units to the right. Let's analyze the other example. Here it says y plus 3. So you need to think about, where are the positive number in the y-axis? Are they down here or up here? Exactly. They are up. This means that you need to go up. Okay? 3 units. That's what it means. 3 units up. So now that you know these, I would like you to pause the video and try to do this one by yourself. Very good. So let's plot these coordinates. 0, 1. This means that it's not located in the x-axis. It is only located in the y-axis. So it's 0 in x and positive 1 in y. So here will be L. Now M. It says that it's in positive 1 in the x and negative 2 in the y. So positive 1, negative 2 in the y is down here. So you draw your dot, and this is M. Now, N is located in the negative 2 in the x-axis and positive 1 in the y-axis. So negative 2 and positive 1. It's over here. So here it is, N. Now I would like you to connect these dots. All right, so this is the way that your triangle should look like. Now it's time for you to draw the image. Now I need to move 2 units to the right and 3 units up. Let's see, 2 units to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 units up. 1, 2, and 3. So here is going to be M prime. Let's go with L. 2 units right. 1 and 2 and 3 units up. 1, 2, and 3. Here it is L prime. Now let's do the last one. 2 units to the right and 3 up. 1 and 2 and 3 up. 1, 2, and 3. Here you're going to have N prime. Now I need you to connect all these primes together. Very good. This is the way that your triangle should look like. Now I would like you to pause this video and try to do this one by yourself. Remember, here it says x, negative 3. Where are the negative numbers in the x-axis? Are they in the right or the left? Yes, they are to the left. So that means that I need to move 3 units to the left, okay? Because that's where the numbers, the negative numbers are in the x-axis. Now you need to analyze, where are the negative numbers in the y-axis? Yes, they are down here. So that means that I need 4 units down because that's where the numbers, the negative numbers are in the y-axis. 4 units down. Now, let's plot this triangle. 0, 1. This is the x and this is the y. It means that it's not located in the x, but it's located in the y. So here we have L. Now let's do M. 1, negative 2. 1 in x and negative 2 in y. So here it is M. Now let's do N. Negative 2 in x and positive 1 in y. Negative 2 and positive 1 down here. And this is N. As you can see, this is the exact triangle from the exercise before. Now, I would like you to connect the dots. With a different color, I would like you to do this translation. 3 units left and 4 units down. 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here will be M prime. Now let's do N. 3 units to the left and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, and 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we're going to have N prime. Now let's try L. 3 units left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we're going to have L prime. Now I would like you, with a different color, to connect all your primes. All right, this is the way that your two triangles should look like. I hope that this video was very helpful for you to understand how to do translations in a coordinate plane. See you next time.